Welcome. Tonight, we're going to spend the next 10 minutes gently releasing the weight you've been carrying around money. You don't need to do anything right now except be here. Just let yourself arrive fully in this moment. Find a comfortable position, lying down, and let your body begin to sink into the bed beneath you. Let your eyes close if they haven't already. Let your face soften. Let your shoulders drop away from your ears. Take a slow breath in through your nose and let it go through your mouth with a soft sigh. One more like that. Breathe in slowly and release. There's nothing to solve tonight. No decisions to make. No numbers to calculate. Just this breath and this moment, and the quiet space we're building together. Let's begin by softening the body, because anxiety about money doesn't just live in the mind. It lives in the shoulders, the jaw, the stomach, the places we forget to check. Bring your attention to your forehead now and let it smooth. Unclench your jaw. Let your tongue rest heavy in your mouth, your lips slightly parted. Notice your shoulders. Even now, they may be creeping up toward your ears, holding on to something invisible. Let them drop all the way down, heavy and loose. Let that dropping travel down through your arms, into your hands, your fingers going soft and still, like they've finally been given permission to rest. Now bring your awareness to your chest and your stomach, often the place where money worry sits the tightest, the place that tenses before you even open a bill or check a balance. With your next exhale, let that whole area soften, like a hand slowly unclenching after holding on for far too long. Let it soften again with your next breath, and again. Let the relaxation continue moving down, through your hips, down your legs, all the way to your feet, your toes going loose and warm. Your whole body is heavier now, softer, safer than it was 10 minutes ago. Somewhere in you tonight, there may be a quiet hum of worry about money, bills, debt, the future, the fear of not having enough or not being enough. You don't need to push this away, and you don't need to fix it right now. Let's simply notice it, the way you'd notice weather passing outside a window. Picture that worry as a small weight you've been holding in your hands, maybe for a long time, maybe for years. It's heavy, it's tired, it has been trying in its own way to protect you, to keep you alert, to keep you safe from lack. It was never trying to hurt you, it was only ever trying to help, even if it forgot how to rest. Silently, in your own mind, you can thank it. Thank you for trying to protect me. I hear you. And now, as you exhale, imagine setting that weight down, gently, not throwing it away, just resting it on the floor beside the bed for tonight. It will still be there tomorrow if you need it. But tonight, your hands can finally be empty. Exhale fully, and let your hands go completely limp and open on the bed beside you. Now let's plant something gentler in that empty space. Silently repeat these words after me, slowly in your own inner voice. I am doing the best I can with what I know. My worth is not measured by a number in an account. I have gotten through hard financial seasons before, and I am still here, still breathing, still safe. Tonight, I am safe. My needs in this moment, right now, are met. Let these words settle into your chest like warmth spreading outward from the center. You don't have to believe them completely yet. Just let them rest in you, like a seed resting in soil in the dark, quietly beginning to grow in its own time, in its own way. Now imagine a room. This is your money peace room, a place that exists only for you in your mind, untouched by anyone else's opinions or expectations. The walls are soft, painted in whatever color feels most calming to you, maybe a deep blue, or a warm sand, or a quiet, mossy green. There's a comfortable chair by a window. Outside, it's night, calm and still. Stars scattered quietly across the sky. In this room, there is no rushing, no calculating, no fear waiting behind the door, just quiet. Imagine sitting in that chair now and feel the weight of your body fully supported beneath you. In this room, money is simply a tool, nothing more, like a hammer or a map. It was never meant to be a measure of your value, and it isn't one now. You can visit this room anytime you need to. It is always here, waiting, exactly as calm as you left it. For now, let yourself rest here a little longer, breathing slowly, safely, quietly. Let's stay here a while longer because there's no need to rush towards sleep. Notice how the air in this room feels unhurried. Notice how nothing here is asking anything of you. This is what safety feels like, underneath all the noise the world usually adds to money. It was never meant to feel this heavy. It was only ever meant to be a quiet tool, resting in the background of a full life. Feel your breathing slow even further, each inhale a little softer, each exhale releasing a little more of what you've carried today, this week, this year. There is nothing urgent here. There is nowhere else you need to be. Just this chair, this window, this stillness, and the steady rhythm of your own breath carrying you gently toward rest. Your body is heavy now, warm, safe. With each breath, you're sinking a little deeper into rest, further and further from the noise of the day. You don't need to hold on to anything else I say from here. Let my voice become distant, like it's coming from another room, softer with every word. You are safe. You are enough, exactly as you are tonight. You have time. More time than fear ever lets you believe. Whatever tomorrow holds, it can wait until tomorrow. Tonight is only for rest. Let go a little more and a little more. Feel yourself settling deeper into the bed, deeper into stillness, the way a stone settles slowly to the bottom of calm water. There is nowhere else to be and nothing else to do. Just this softness, just this breath, just this quiet room inside you, waiting, warm and still, exactly as calm as you left it. Sleep now,